The Schneider Electric supply chain has really evolved over time. We hold really high standards for not only ourselves, but also our suppliers. We think of our suppliers as an extension of our supply chain. I'm Annette Clayton. I'm the CEO and President of Schneider Electric North America, and I also operate as the Chief Supply Chain Officer. We want them to operate ethically. We expect them to operate to the ISO standards. And look, we work with them as well in order to up their game inside of their facilities. In the past 2 years, there's really a couple highlights for the Schneider Electric supply chain. The first one being the story of growth. We had a great year of growth and the supply chain was able to respond, and I think it really shows the flexibility and the resilience. Schneider was ranked number 17 in the top 25 supply chains in the world, and one of the landmarks inside of that is our corporate social responsibility, where Gartner really said, you know, you're the gold standard inside the industry. We're proud of the evolution that we've had for our customers, so that our customers are able to meet their customers' needs even in a stronger way because of our supply chain.